OET grammar tip, passive voice, active versus passive. Hey OET learners, want to sound formal and patient-focused? Let's look at the passive voice, your secret to professional writing. What is passive voice? The passive voice focuses on the receiver, usually the patient or treatment, instead of who performed the action. Examples: 1. The patient was advised to stop smoking. 2. Medication was prescribed for pain relief. 3. A follow-up appointment was scheduled. Active versus passive. To make a passive sentence, switch the focus from the doer to the receiver and add was or were plus the past participle. Examples: active, I prescribed medication. Passive, medication was prescribed. Active, we advised the patient. Passive, the patient was advised. Don't forget your helping verb, was or were. Without it, your sentence is incomplete. Use the passive voice when the doer isn't important, or when you want to spotlight the patient. It keeps your tone formal and objective. Write like a professional. Master the passive voice.